You want to have a thriving business that customers and clients are flocking to, but there's so much competition out there. How are you making your business stand out? I'm Colin Cowie, founder of Thrive Hospitality. I put on larger-than-life, glamorous events for royalties, celebrities, and luminaries. But if there's one thing I've learned, it's not about the venue, or the decor, or the party favors. It's about how I make you feel, and why creating an emotional connection will last forever with your guests. In my book, The Gold Standard, I teach you how you can approach your business in exactly the same way, to have unrelenting focus on creating an experience that exceeds customer expectations on any budget. Don't lose your customers to someone else who has taken the steps to wow them. You have one chance to make a first impression. Start reading today.